Hello everyone, this is Carl and Kun from Web Courses Bangkok.
Hello.
Hello. And today we're going to be taking a website that's local and we're going to be putting it live, which means buying a domain name, getting some hosting and doing all sorts of other things to put it live. How many stages are we looking at, Kun?
I thought there were about 12. Oh no, 16.
16 stages we're going to go through. So the first one then is search for a domain name. Where do you think we should go?
Instant domain search.
Instant domain search. Why do we go here?
It's my favorite because they give solutions for .com, .net.
It's quick as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
There's many others, but this is one we're used to. So we're doing a website. Let's first of all show you the website we're going around. So actually, can you tell us a bit about it? You made it.
It's a website about Charlie Chaplin. It's selling products about him.
Right.
Books, DVDs. Has a little bit of a biography, a filmography. So it's like a web shop site.
Okay. A bit like affiliate marketing, yeah? Because you click and you go to the shop, and then from here you can buy now and go to Amazon. Is that right?
Yeah.
Cool. All right. So yeah, essentially what we need to do is we've built this live on our we've built this on our computers, so it's nice and quick. And now we need to get from here to a website. So let's search for a domain name now. So what do you think?
I thought Charlie Chaplin Shop.
Charlie Chaplin Shop. That's available? Yeah.
Yeah, that might be a good one.
Okay. Well, I'll tell you what we'll do is I'll show you something else. We can go to who.is. All right. And then here we can go to suggestion. Oh, it's giving us a bit of feedback there. Alright, we can go to suggestions, and then down here we can do Charlie Chaplin, and we can see what's available. We'll get domain suggestions, and then move down. We've got Charlie Filmmaker, The Charlie Chaplin.
Oh, that's nice.
That's not bad, is it?
No.
Alright, TCC for the people who know it. Charlie Comic, Charlie Filmmaker, My Charlie Chaplin, Charlie Comedian.
I prefer .com.
Yeah, I'm a .com as well. Channel Film Producer, Your Hoplink. Not all of them are so great and relevant, but nevertheless. So I think we're going to go for this one then, Charlie, the Charlie Chaplin.
Yeah,
that sounds like a great idea. All right, so the Charlie Chaplin, and there we go. All right. So the Charlie Chaplin, and there we go. We've got .com available. So I've got an account with GoDaddy.
Right.
I'm not recommending them. It's just that for years I've used them. But GoDaddy, they tend to be cheap, and the important thing for us is they're quick, and we really want to be able to put this live today. So when you are doing a website, I always advise you to, when you've built it, is buy the domain name first and then start all the process of moving it. And that means you give the domain name time to propagate. Alright, so I'm just going to log in. Yeah, there. Alright, so the Charlie Chaplin, we'll add that, and it's going to moan that I've got 6 domain names ready to expire. And that's because I've got an addiction to buying domain names and not doing anything with them. Which I'm sure you have as well, listeners. Right, so we've got our details here. So we'll just put in details. Click next. We're going to get it just for 1 year. Alright, next. So I'm sure there's some people thinking, in a year, I can buy that domain. Alright, so we just click next. We don't need any of this extra stuff if you're buying from GoDaddy. These ones here I don't want to renew right now. We'll look at that another time. So we just want to buy this one domain name. Now we've got a discount on there because we used instant domain search. Alright. Or alternatively you can just do a search for GoDaddy promo codes. Click here, and then all you have to do is copy. Let's have a see. Renewals. There you go. You just copy this. Copy this, and then you put that into the promo code bit here. Alright. You can always have a discount. Alright, so I'm going to round up for charity because I'm What do you want to do? Juvenile diabetes, Arizona Humane, or Hope for Haiti?
Let's
go for the first one.
Yeah.
Just to be fair. Yeah. All right. Okay. So it's now $8. Good. Continue. Okay. Good. So we've got the details here. All right. We can pay by PayPal. We can pay by credit card. So I'm just gonna place the order. And then we are done. Brilliant, so we've got our domain name now. Right. So what we're going to do now is I'm now going to go to my hosting and then we're going to set that up. So we've got a place for the domain name to go. Right, so my hosting is Web Courses Showcase cPanel. And then I just log in. And I'm using HostGator. Yeah. Do you use HostGator?
No.
No. Oh, you use a Dutch one, don't you?
Yeah.
Mm. Alright, so now we've got this. Now I've already got a lot of domains. Now the great thing about HostGator is that you can buy one hosting and you can have many domains pointing to it. So this is again another one of many domains. Alright, but 26. This is my 26th.
26.
Alright. So now I'm going to go to add-on domains in my cPanel. And by the way, you get to your cPanel just by going to your domain name /cPanel.
You can add as many as you want. With
yes. So the charliechaplin.com.
Yes.
Alright. Now I'm just going to pause the video while we get our password sorted. Right, there we go. And so now I just have to do add on domain. Now the beautiful thing about this is all I have to do now is copy a couple of information to connect my new domain to my hosting. So I'm just going to go to the home page while that's still doing that and move down, and you'll see your name servers. Now these are mine servers, so I'm just going to copy that and then go back to GoDaddy. Alright, so what I can do now is I'm going to go back to my account and then it will list all the domain names that I've got. So we want the charliechaplin.com. I've got 7 pages of domain names. No, not here. Let's have a look. The Charlie Chaplin.
There it is.
And click on there. Right, now the nice thing about this is all I have to do is name servers, set name servers, and we have 2 of them. The reason we have 2 of them is in case one of them breaks down. So I click on here, specific, and then I highlight, delete, and then just from personal experience I always remember that the next name server is just 1 number up. So this is 70, like that. Alright, click OK. Now, importantly it says 2 hours to 48 hours. It can take 10 minutes. Now we're in Thailand and it can take a little bit longer, but we can cheat. We can cheat with the way we do that. So I'm going to go to school unblock.com. Alright. And Thailand has banned it.
Oh.
So we need to find another one. So we're going to do free online proxy. Because we need to pretend that we're somewhere else. I'm going to just try these ones. Here we go. Zend. See how this goes. So www.thecharliechaplin.com. There we go. Perfect. Means it's working.
Nice.
Alright, so we know we've bought it, so it's been registered. Now what we need to do is keep our eye on this page until it turns to a HostGator. Alright, which can take a little while. But luckily, we've got plenty to do in the meantime. So now we've bought the domain name, we've hooked it up, so we've got it all set up now. So the next screencast will be starting to move all the files onto the server.
Nice.
Any questions?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Let's
Okay.
see when it's online.
Cool. See you soon.